In this rule, HyperLynx DSE checks if the traces are routed too close to the edge of a plane. A solid power or ground plane provides a good return current path. If the trace is too close to the plane edge, it will create EMI radiations instead of having a clean return current path. This can cause problems, especially in nets near the board edges. This rule needs a constant nets object list, which is basically an object list of all the power nets, to find their edges and to use that data to find signal nets that are too close to the edges. In the parameters, this rule checks for minimum trace segment for reporting the violation and an edge multiplier that multiplies with the dielectric height to determine the allowable distance between the plane edge and the trace. We can create a rule group and run this on a specific object list of the nets that we are concerned with, but I am going to run this on the whole board just to make sure I catch all the violations. Clicking on the violations highlights and zooms to area where the violation has occurred. The length of the trace highlighted in red is at risk for EMI issues. HyperLynx DSE also gives suggestions on how to correct this issue. I am going to mark this error as to be fixed since the layout needs to be worked on. This way, HyperLynx DSE helps catch EMI issues that might not have been caught in a simple signal integrity simulation.